is remove our dipstick. That way the crankcase will vent properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using a 12mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, we want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Once the oil is drained completely, we'll reinstall our drain bolt and torque this to 14.5 foot-pounds. Now, using an 8mm, we'll remove the 3 bolts that hold the oil filter cap in place. They simply just unthread. Once we remove the cover, you want to just check the condition of the O-ring and make sure the spring's still intact. If the O-ring's damaged, you'll want to replace that. And also take note of the orientation of the oil filter when you pull it out, because we want to put our new filter in the exact same way. And we'll simply just put our spring back in place and our cap on the side of the crankcase and then bolt it back down. Just want to snug these down is all. About 7.5 foot-pounds is all you need. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha states this unit holds 1.8 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. Now we'll reinstall our dipstick, get it good and snug. Now it's time to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll go ahead and shut the engine off and let it sit for a few minutes, and then we can get an accurate oil level reading. Now to check our oil level, we'll simply remove our dipstick, wipe off the excess, and place the stick on top of the threads and lift it back out to get our level. And this looks great, so let's hit the road.